Greetings! In this video, I will casually be covering the replacement of the SSD in my wife's computer. The ASUS G10 Series desktop computer has served her well since 2015. Although this vintage Windows 8 computer hasn't given us any problems, I figure it would be judicious to replace its small SSD boot drive in 2022. With the kitchen countertop covered, I was ready to start. The replacement SSD will be a 500 gigabyte drive. To clone Windows 10 on the new drive, I will be using a USB adapter and free software from Macrium. Once the new drive was plugged in and the operating system copied, it was time to open up my wife's computer for the first time. Even though the motherboard and graphics card were dwarfed by the case, it was interesting to find that this 2015 pre-built had both a GPU support bracket and dual-channel memory, something that many current pre-built desktop computers still don't always have. After finding where the boot drive was located, it was time to remove it. Probably the cable management was standard for its time. Other than trying to figure out how to use the cloning software, the only other challenge for me was trying to get the holes to line up when installing the new SSD. Besides that, permit me to say that it was nice to see that the old hard drive was from a recognizable company. The reassembly went easily, and once the computer was back in its place, it was time to see if the computer would work. And with a sigh of relief, it did. Of course, for myself, the real test is if the computer will run Second Life. And once my avatar finished rezzing into the virtual world, I was satisfied the project was a success. One thing you may have noticed is that I didn't thoroughly clean the dust out of the computer. In my defense, I didn't want to disturb anything that I didn't have to in my wife's computer. Hopefully, you enjoyed seeing what the inside of a 2015 ASUS G10 Series computer looks like. If you have the need to install an SSD into your desktop and have never done it before, you may find that the task is not that difficult. Thank you for your interest in this video. It is released as public domain. Until next time, goodbye for now.